So the first question is to find the missing number. On the first side with the intuition, we can see the general trend here, like the 23 is obtained by multiplying 1 to the 21 and adding 2 to it. So similarly, 23 multiplied by 2 and adding 3 in it, we will get 49. So on 49 multiplied by 3 and adding 4, we get 151. Continuing to this, 151 multiplied by 4 and adding 5, we get 609, which is the correct option, the option D here. And to cross check, we can justify the next term, 609 multiplied by 5 and adding 6, we get the 3051, which is the next term in the question. So the second question is a very basic unitary method question, like what if men can complete a work in 12 days? If the work has to be completed 2 days prior, then how many men should be assigned in this case? It means we have to find that how many men should work to complete the work in 10 days. So if 40 men can complete the work in 12 days, so one man will take 40 multiplied by 12, which comes out to be 480 days to complete the work. So to complete the work in 10 days, we will be requiring 480 divided by 10 men, which comes out to be 48 men in this case, and the correct option is C. So the next question is, a daughter is as old as the mother when the daughter was born. Find the ratio between their present ages. It means let the present age of the daughter be X. So X years ago when she was born, her mother's age was X. So it's saying the same thing. So now, which at present her mother's age would be, which is the X year after she was born. So her mother's present age would be X plus X, which comes out to be 2X, and the ratio of their present ages 2X divided by X will be 2:1. So I hope you like these videos. Till then, keep studying and take care. Bye bye.